Okay, so I'm just going to be going over my web app development 2 project. Um, this project is carrying on from the project 1 that we done for the first assignment. So again, it's based on a popular multiplayer app known as Rainbow Six Siege. And if you have a look here, this is just going to be the homepage that I have. And you might have noticed the link I actually have it deployed to Firebase. And as well as that, my project is also connected to my first one. And that first project is also being deployed to Heroku, so it's all done through the cloud. This whole project, and if you look here, you can see this is the Heroku link, which has my project, and that project hand then is linked to MLab as well. So everything is up in the cloud. It's all persistence and it's all there. So just to show you, this is the homepage. So it's just basic text, and I also put in a link to a YouTube video here. It's just about the game. You can see we can play it out. We can skip into it, and so
Surfaces does add a
that's all there. And you can see we have a footer here at the end now. It's just pretty much says my name, and that's my app that I created. Next, you might know there's not a home page because I actually had the home page set to this image here. As well as that, so we've got an about us, and for the about us, I just put in again a Google map thing here, and I have it pointed to Waterford Institute of Technology, saying this is where we're located. You have a sign up and a sign in. I'll show you that now in a second. But if we go here, this is the operators. If we just wait for it to load here, it should load in a second. Yeah, so here we go. So this is all the operators that are on the MLab, which I can show you here. You can see some of them, if you can see any names there, but that's all the operators that I have here. So we have all the crowd functionality. So if I'm to like this operator here, so Alibaba, so it's at 7 at the moment. I'll go into it, it goes up to 8, 9, and 10. As well as that, so we can also edit and remove, but I do have restrictions, so you can only edit and you can only remove if you're a signed in user. And the way I done that, so like if I go change this to Defender, I should get a pop-up saying please sign in to perform this action. So I'll be showing you that now in a second. And it's the same for deleting, so you have to sign in to perform this action. Whereas in maps, I didn't actually put this restriction on, so we can you can see there, so at the moment this one is on 12. If I change that down to 10, you'll see it be updated now in a second. Yeah, so we can see it come back down to 10 now. And as well as that, we can also delete it. Let's see, I just didn't want to put any authentication on this for maps only. So then if I'm going to sign in, the sign in is all done through, all of the authentication is done through Firebase. So that's all done on the server side. So you can see here at the moment, I didn't make a user. And also I should sign in on this, so I'll just do test, test.com, test 1, 2, 3, test. So if we go here, it shouldn't see new user. So you see this is on my Firebase, so we can see the new user here. And now I don't really have any way of showing that you're logged in, bar just referring you back to the home page, and also you can then just check it then. So if I go to delete this operator, you can see here we got a different pop-up, but it's asking, do we really want to delete it? So if I press OK, this one gets deleted. Then we can still like, and we can also edit then again. So if I want to change its name to test 1, 2, 3, we can do that. That's been updated, and then we go into operator. Test 1, 2, 3. And again, we can actually add operators now as well. So let's do test 1. I want to make it an attacker. Enter the fourth operators form. So let's do test 1. 1. What's the operators gadget? Test 1. That's something. See, there we go. And we can still like that and all. And that should then come up on the MLab account here if I refresh it. Just give it a second here to load. yeah, test one, attacker side, test one. So yeah, that's pretty much the project. In all its glory, all the code will be submitted. It's in the Rainbow Six Vue, so it's all done through using Vue and JavaScript. And as well as that,